How did those first two deals really set you up to start to become a larger real estate investor?
The biggest thing was just the mindset. I had all these limiting beliefs that I didn't even really realize that I had. I just pushed real estate to the side. I knew a bit about investing. I was pretty well educated on personal finance. I was pretty financially literate, but I just didn't think I could be a real estate investor. And so that first deal really just opened my eyes. And I like to tell people that your first deal is not going to make you rich, but it will get you started to get rich when you take into consideration how much I paid in interest and, a bunch of other closing costs and things like that you mentioned. I really didn't make a ton of money on that deal, but the mindset shift that it gave me is invaluable. And it's probably going to make me a ton of money over the rest of my life. I was able to learn that so early. So I think that was really the biggest thing. I don't think I would ever have started a real estate podcast or done all the different things that I've been doing in the real estate space without that mindset shift.